Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now today I want to talk to you a little bit around big prints, big transfers like this one here, and those peeling techniques to make sure that you have success every single time. Now there's a couple of things that are really important. Really big prints like this, we want to make sure that we've got plenty of heat, that we're pressed at the right temperature, okay, because we want one big peeling movement. We don't want to peel this in sort of a jerky motion. Now I know it's a really big print, so we need to be confident in our temp, time, pressure, one big peel. A couple of things that get people unstuck, and this is whether they're big prints or little prints. This can be DTF transfers, our UltraColour, lots of transfers. Now, really it's when you go to grab the corner to peel it, okay? So let's just say I'm looking at this print. The best thing you could do is peel from the corner that has the most amount of plastic away from the transfer. And this is really important. All transfers peel better when you peel them back over themselves, just like that. So a bit like ripping a Band-Aid off is probably the best sort of way of explaining that. You would never grab a Band-Aid and lift it up off your arm or leg because you know how it rips at the skin. The best way to peel a Band-Aid is back over itself in one quick movement. This is exactly the same. Whenever you're peeling a transfer, it's exactly the same. You want to peel it back over itself. Now, when we go to grab that corner so that we can do that peel, what often happens is people go, they get their finger underneath the corner to grab it like this. And what happens is, see this edge right here? I've sort of inadvertently lifted the plastic straight up, which on that corner where that transfer is, if that glue was still really hot, I may have very well lifted that edge, or I've slightly pulled the transfer up with the plastic. And then I go to peel, and what happens is this corner here either lifts or pulls away or doesn't adhere properly. And you'll peel the whole plastic off, whether it's a big or a little transfer, but it's that corner that you grabbed at. If you've ever experienced that, if you've ever experienced that the whole transfer is fine except for the corner where you grabbed it and picked it up, it's because the way that you put your thumb under, your finger underneath the edge to go to peel it, you're lifting it up. A little trick of mine that I'd like to teach everybody is when I go to peel that down, I actually put my finger just there, so I actually go to hold it down so that I can grab it like this, okay? So finger down, go for the grab, then peel. I'm doing two things. When I press it down, it kind of lifts it up for me a little bit. You can see it like that. It's easier for me to grab, but two, I'm stopping it from, when I try to go like this to grab it, it stops it from lifting up. Cool. I know that that transfer is held down really, really well, and then I can go for a quick peel knowing that it's stuck down, okay? And that's the same for any corner. Here's my thumb. You can see I've put my thumb there to grab it like this so I can peel. That way there's no risk of lifting any of this the transfer up here near that corner. So cool, that's one thing guys, really important is the way you grab your corners to peel. If you've ever experienced that corner and having trouble, it's the way you're grabbing the plastic, and that little technique there will absolutely save you. Second thing is big prints. Little ones are easy, we often just do it in a quick movement. Big prints, we need to do it in one big movement as well. We don't want to be slow or jerking. And got to remember these coatings guys are a wax coating, right? Think of wax when it's hot, it's really like, it's soft, it'll let go of the transfer. As soon as the wax hardens up, it grabs onto the transfer. That's how these release coatings work, guys. So we want to make sure that there's plenty of heat in that release coating when we go to peel it. And to do that, we need to do it quickly. We need to do it as soon as the top plate peels up, and we need to make sure that there's plenty of heat there, okay? Cool. I'm gonna do a press. I'm set at 150 here, guys, 10 seconds. Okay, it's at 149, so it'll be heating up to get it to 150. Right, I'm gonna press that down. I've got a pressure of 7. Again, it's a really big print, so I wanna make sure that I've got good pressure. I would have a minimum of 7, okay, 6 to 7, guys. Up, grab my corner of my finger and do a quick peel just like that, okay? Now, that's the technique that you wanna go with. I put my thumb down to make sure I held that corner so I could peel and run with it. It was all in one big motion. I didn't stop and pull at it or tag at it. Guys, if you've got any questions around pressing, if you're struggling at all with your DTF transfers or anything like that, guys, reach out to us. Got lots of tips, especially these little ones that I've just taught you today. Cheers, guys.